In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the reply to email setting in Lemlist. First, log into your Lemlist account and open the campaign you want to edit. Then go to Sequence. Once inside, go to the email step where you're sending messages to your leads. In the right panel, click on Advanced Settings beside Sender for Email Steps. Then toggle on the setting Dynamically Match Sender with Ownership. And for the sending strategy, choose Lead Importer. The user you assign here will be in charge of all activities from the leads here, including replies. Next, toggle the setting Force a specific sender for this step on, then click on the drop-down menu. This is where you can specify a different email address that will receive replies instead of your default sending email. This is especially useful if you're sending emails on behalf of a team member or if you want all replies centralized in a shared inbox. After that, save your changes and make sure your campaign is active. From now on, whenever a recipient replies to your email, their response will be directed to the reply to address you set. You can also test this by sending a preview email to yourself and replying to it, just to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use our affiliate link in the description.